After my first treatment, I just sat in my car for a minute before I left, took several really deep breaths, and just kind of this overwhelming sense of gratitude and relief. The pain that I had been dealing with for literally years was now relieved. And hadn't happened before.
Maywell Health is a new type of healthcare. We're trying to change the way that pain management is delivered. In healthcare, you need an advocate. It's easy to get lost in the system, and at Maywell, we are the patient's advocate. Maywell is where patients come and are treated like family. So they get to leave this big, complex hospital system and enter a whole different experience. There are so many reasons to be hopeful for patients in chronic pain management because of how many advancements are occurring over the last couple of years. There's tons of innovation happening on the medication side, on the injection side, on the device side, even on the non-invasive mobile technology. The doctors that work at Maywell have trained at HSS, Cornell, Sloan Kettering. We are the state of the art of this field.
Pain is really a roadblock. It just stops you from living. But I found that getting treated by Dr. Mayrsohn at Maywell Health with all he has to offer, I've been able to move forward. He's an awesome doctor who really cares about your whole well-being, which is important. It's just not taking pills or getting an injection. You have to change your whole lifestyle, and he shows you how to do it. I just trust him.
A success story that I have recently was this patient. She was coming in screaming in pain. She couldn't get out of her wheelchair because her back hurt too much, her legs hurt too much. She came in crying the other day saying that she had no pain in her back, and it's the first time she was able to walk outside with her walker in years. I was able to share in that with her and, got choked up with her, and it was just incredible.
It amazes me when people have spent 10 years going from doctor to doctor trying to get relief, often only getting 20–30% of pain relief. One of the best feelings is when a patient comes to see me who's seen tons of other doctors and they've been in pain for so long and they've just kind of lost hope, and I explain the different procedures that exist they haven't even heard of. And then we perform them, they get up off the table and their pain is cured. At Maywell Health, we collaborate with amazing humans. So we find the best-in-class physical therapy, find the best-in-class surgeons, acupuncturists, nutritionists, psychotherapists, and also, of course, pain management physicians. Oftentimes, the most common thing that I hear, I've never had a doctor listen to me the way that you did. And it just blows my mind. And if you just listen, you can find exactly what's going on.
I really love at Maywell Health how we treat the whole body and not just one singular thing. Every person that comes in gets treated as a whole person, mind and body.
He has a nutritionist dietitian, Olivia, in his practice. I'm so grateful for her and for him.
Physical pain doesn't just take a toll on your body, it takes a toll on your mind as well. We want to treat the person as a whole. Here at Maywell, we know we can treat your physical pain, but we can also treat your emotional pain as well.
My body just failed me for whatever reason. I could not really walk. I had pain. I couldn't even lift my arms above here. When you're used to being very active all the time, and then all of a sudden your body just cuts you off, it's just horrible. The pain just took over everything. And I thought I was never going to get out of it. But you learn to deal with it. It's an acceptance. And now that I've had treatment from Dr. Mayrsohn, hope is back in the limelight again.
My experience at Maywell Health has been so positive because I came in with chronic back problems. I had tried a lot of different things, honestly. Orthopedists, physical therapy, home stretches, muscle strengthening, and it wasn't until my experience here that I was able to really get the relief that I was after.
I've seen how profoundly soul-crushing pain can be, and I want nothing more than to help my patients take back their life and get back to the things that they love most.